your whistle, Bryce. Yay! Daddy out of breath.
Out of breath, out of practice. Hi, you want to try?
Blow, Bryce.
Can't quite blow it.
Okay, you stick with your whistle. Your turn, Bryce.
Go.
Yeah.
Nope. Take go. Go. Close.
Did you actually buy that one?
Yeah.
At Turtle Dreams.
Nope.
Expensive?
Oh, no. From Paul, though.
Yeah. Nope. This one was cheap.
Like 20 bucks?
25.
Good job, Bryce. Oh, oh, oh!
Yeah. Whoops.
Whoa.
Emily tripped you. You want to try again? Come here, buddy.
Bryce, blow your whistle.
Good job, Bryce. You want to try again?
He wants to go in the closet now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Dad
boy.
left it open.
Yep.
All right.
All right. Bye.
Bye-bye.